Hi guys, welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making honey barbecue ribs. Stay tuned. Coming up. Let's go over the ingredients. 1 rack of ribs, about 6 pounds. 1 cup of barbecue sauce, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of adobo, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 packet of sazon, 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Season your ribs with all of the ingredients with the exception of the barbecue sauce. After adding all the seasonings to the rack of ribs, make sure to give it a nice rub, flip it upside down, and get all the seasonings everywhere. You want it to have a nice and even flavor. Let the ribs marinate overnight in your fridge for about 8 to 10 hours. 8 to 10 hours later, preheat your oven at 325 degrees and roast for 2 hours. 2 hours later, get the ribs out of the oven and brush the barbecue sauce over. Raise the oven temperature to 375 degrees and roast for another 30 minutes. The result would be a nice, soft and juicy rack of ribs with a nice and delicious coat of barbecue sauce. Enjoy! Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, check out other recipes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.